Welcome to Mega Auto World. Today, we're taking flight with one of the most legendary aircraft ever built, the iconic P-51 Mustang, now reborn for 2026. The spirit of the skies lives on, as this modern version of the World War II hero returns with futuristic engineering, cutting-edge avionics, and jaw-dropping performance. This isn't just nostalgia, it's a masterpiece of modern aeronautics. The 2026 P-51 Mustang combines the soul of the classic fighter with today's most advanced aerospace technology. At first glance, you can see the timeless lines of the original Mustang, the long nose, bubble canopy, and razor-sharp wings, but now sculpted from next-generation carbon composites and lightweight titanium. The new body enhances aerodynamics while maintaining that unmistakable P-51 silhouette that once dominated the skies. Under the hood, or rather, under the cowling, the Mustang 2026 is powered by a hybrid turboprop-electric system developed in collaboration with Rolls-Royce. This setup produces an astonishing 2,000 horsepower while dramatically reducing emissions. The electric assist system provides silent takeoffs and boosts efficiency at cruising altitudes, making it one of the greenest high-performance aircraft in its class. In the cockpit, it's pure 21st century innovation. Gone are the analog dials, replaced by a fully digital glass cockpit with AI-assisted flight systems, touchscreen navigation, and real-time diagnostics. Pilots can even switch between Heritage Mode, featuring classic-style gauges, and Advanced Mode, where everything is digitally optimized for maximum control and safety. The aircraft also features augmented reality flight displays and helmet-integrated targeting systems inspired by modern fighter jets. Performance-wise, the 2026 P-51 Mustang is a marvel. It can reach speeds up to 480 miles per hour and climb to 41,000 feet with ease. Thanks to its fly-by-wire control system and advanced stability management, this Mustang is not only powerful but incredibly precise and easy to handle. Whether it's low-level aerobatics or high-altitude cruising, this aircraft feels alive in your hands, just like the original legend. But what truly makes the 2026 Mustang special is its tribute to history. Each aircraft carries a unique serial number and paint scheme inspired by historic World War II squadrons. Owners can even customize their livery to match famous fighters like Big Beautiful Doll or Old Crow. The roar of the propeller-driven engine, combined with the sleek futuristic design, makes it both a flying monument and a vision of the future. Only a limited number of P-51 Mustang 2026s will be produced, each hand-built with precision craftsmanship and modern materials. Whether you're an aviation enthusiast, a collector, or a pilot with a love for timeless engineering, this aircraft represents the perfect fusion of past and future. So buckle up and prepare to experience the rebirth of a legend. The 2026 P-51 Mustang isn't just an airplane, it's history reborn, technology unleashed, and the sky reimagined. Thanks for watching Mega Auto World. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible machines from air, land, and beyond.